runs Secure Renewables. Got in touch and mentioned to him that was looking at the solar project, which he said obviously it'd be great for him to do that. Benefits for the golf club is obviously the reducing in bills. We should hope to see that in the next 3 or 4 months. The other thing as well is obviously reducing the carbon footprint of the golf club, which obviously in the world that we're living in at the moment, it's obviously something that we're trying to do. And I just think it's very beneficial to any club, especially something like this and the size of our building here, to be able to put something in there that will help those costs moving forward. I think the first couple of days we looked at what the meterage would be, and I think we've used 2% of mains power on a couple when the sun's shining like it is today. It's very beneficial to the golf club. The Secure Renewables team were brilliant during the install process. It was nice, smooth, no real disruption regarding members coming down. When the team turned up, did everything safely, securely, and there was in a couple of days, fitted everything, tested it all, and away we went. I'd definitely recommend the Secure Renewables team. From start to finish, they've worked very well, and I'd definitely recommend them.